Hello friends, welcome to the audio cast from Manas Foundation. We are living in very interesting times. First we had the smog, then the election of Mr. Trump, and now the denotification of currencies. These are events that can be classified as crises. Just like calamities, namely earthquakes, tsunami, famines, and each one of us is affected by them and is bound to have a reaction towards them. So how is our mental health impacted by these things? It is the third day, and some of us who are deeply impacted by the currency crisis will be experiencing some symptoms of acute stress disorder, which include severe anxiety, a sort of a dissociation where one does not feel connected to the reality, very low ability to concentrate, and amnesia about the details of the events which caused this reaction. Because it is only a few days since the crisis has happened, we are all going through an heroic phase where we are doing more than our capacities to overcome the situation. Also, people are extending help to each other, like the sabji wala giving. Most of us don't have black money, so why will we be impacted? The answer to this lies in thinking, what did the little stash of money do to us? It was a tool of security, our second most basic need after food, water, air, and sex. Suddenly, we are at the mercy of external agents like banks, insurance, credit cards, and e-cash. Though the money is still ours, but there is a limited control that we have over them. There is a limit of how much we can withdraw, when we can withdraw, and how we can spend it. From the mental health perspective, once the dust settles in a few days, we will experience a larger sense of insecurity, most of us. All the conditions of the anxiety spectrum will get heightened. Some of us may experience a general uneasiness, symbolic of generalized anxiety disorders. Others may feel compelled to do some rituals that make them feel at ease. More obsessive and irritability and anger outbursts, along with panic reactions, may be experienced by some of us. Heightened alertness, hoarding, like buying things more than you need, and being susceptible to rumors are some of the things that all of us will experience sometime later, to a much larger extent. I will come back to explain these things in detail and what can be done about it in our